everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and it's Fan Art Friday. And for this Fan Art Friday, Brian from Texas requested Creeper from Minecraft, a mummy version. And look how it came out. It looks super awesome. If you guys want to be featured on our next Fan Art Friday with your cool art ideas, make sure to send an email to our email here or in our description, and we'll draw one of your drawings. So come join us for this easy step-by-step. Alright guys, so let's get started with our Fan Art Friday. It's going to be Creeper from Minecraft, but a mummy version. So what we're going to do is, we're going to make a line that looks like a backwards letter L. So we did the backwards L, leaving some space at the top, and it's a little bit more to the right. Then from here, from this point, we're going to make a diagonal line. And then we're going to make two vertical lines at each point that's just a little bit shorter than this one. Then what we're going to do is, from this point, we're going to make two diagonal lines that goes a little bit past these lines. And then from here, from these points, what we're going to do is, we're going to go up with a short vertical line. And we're going to copy the same design. So we're going to continue this line just a little longer. And then we're going to do those two diagonal lines to connect those points. So there we have the outline of his head. It looks 3D and it looks so cool. We could do the details inside of his face, and what we're going to start with is his mouth. So leaving some space on the sides, we're going to do two vertical lines. And then to finish this, we're going to close it off with a horizontal line connecting the 2 points. And we're going to copy that same design at the bottom, just smaller. So there we have his mouth. And then for his nose, what we're going to do is, we're just going to make it skinnier than his mouth, and it's going to be right on top. There we have his nose. And for his eyes, what we're going to do is, we're going to draw two rectangles right next to his nose. So there we have Creeper's face. And what we could continue with is his body. So we're going to make his body 3D too. And what we're going to do is, for the sides of his body, we're going to come in from his face a little bit, leave some space, and we're going to make one vertical line. We're going to copy the same design on the right. We're going to come over just a little bit, and this line's going to be a little bit longer than this one. And to close that off, for the bottom of his body, we're just going to draw one diagonal line connecting these 2 points. There we have his body. To make the body 3D, what we're going to do is, we're going to make one diagonal line going to the top. And then we could continue with his arms. So for his arms, what we're gonna do is, from this point of his body, we're gonna make one diagonal line that goes down. Then right next to it, we're gonna copy the same thing at the same height, and one line to close this off. Now to make that arm 3D, what we're gonna do is, from this point, we're gonna go up with a diagonal and make the same diagonal line connected to his head. There we have one arm, and to finish that body look, all we have to do is do one vertical line connected to his arm. Look how cool that looks. And then let's do his other arm. So for his other arm, we're gonna copy the same diagonal line from this point. We're just gonna come down a little bit more. Then we're gonna make a diagonal line right next to it that goes down just a little longer, and connect these 2 points. To continue with the rest of his arm, what we're going to do is, we're going to go right here from his head and make a diagonal line that comes down, and just one diagonal line to connect these 2 points. There we have his arms. Now all we have left are his legs. We're going to have him holding a little pumpkin bag, and then the mummy bandages. So we're almost there, guys. Next thing we're going to do is his legs. So right in between his body, we're going to make something that looks like the letter V that's upside down. Just like that. For this leg, what we're gonna do is, right past his body, we're just gonna make one vertical line that's at the same height going up. We're just not gonna connect it to his body. We're gonna connect these 2 points, one diagonal line that goes up, and just one diagonal line that goes right to his body. There we have one leg. The next leg is gonna be super easy as well, and what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make one diagonal line that goes to the side. From this point, we're gonna make one diagonal line that looks like the same like this one, right next to it. We'll continue this line, and then we'll make one diagonal line to his body. And there we have his legs. Look at that. Let's do that little pumpkin bag that he's holding. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make a curve like a smiley face. And attached to this, we're gonna make one oval. This is the bag, and for the handles, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make curves like rainbows. And then we're just gonna do one more layer of that right underneath it. And then we could just do a pumpkin face. So we're gonna do triangle eyes and a triangle nose. And one big smiley face. Look at that, now he has a little bag to get candy when he goes trick-or-treating. What we're gonna do is we're gonna separate his hands from his arms. So we're just gonna make one line across here and one that goes up diagonal. Same for this arm. And same design for his feet. So we'll copy the same style as we were doing. One line across and then one line that goes diagonal. There we go. And now let's just do his bandages. That's it, guys, we're almost there. So for his bandages, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a whole bunch of stripes and they're gonna go in different directions. So for this arm, we're gonna do lines that go down like a point of a triangle. There we have some mummy band-aids. Look how cool that looks. And then we could do it the opposite way on this arm. So they're gonna look like the letter V. Oh, that looks so cool. And then we could do it on his legs too. So we're gonna go the opposite ways for his legs. For his body, what we're gonna do is they're gonna be curved. So they're gonna look like smiley faces on their side. And I'm just gonna do a big curve like this. And this one's gonna start skinny and then just come a little wider to the other side. Look at that band-aid. And then we're gonna do one more right under it. And then we could do one on his head. So I'm gonna do one, like a diagonal line across his head, the side of his head, and then I'm gonna do some stripes at the top. And there we have it, guys. There we have Creeper as a mummy. It looks super cool. You guys could add more band-aids too if you want, all throughout his body. But all we really have to do now is color him in. So grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's color him in. All right, guys, and here we have our Fan Art Friday. It is Creeper from Minecraft Mummy Edition. I think this is one of the coolest drawing ever. It looks like he's gonna walk off of the canvas. This was so much fun. Remember, guys, if you guys want to be picked for Fan Art Friday, one of your designs, make sure you send your requests to our email and we'll pick one of you guys. So hopefully you guys had fun drawing this. I know I did. Halloween's right around the corner. And guys, stay tuned for more drawings. Bye.